Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can put your products to sell. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in my Shopify admin panel. So the first thing that you need to do guys is go right here to the left side of your screen and then search for products. Go ahead and click on it and then you will find a list that includes all of your products. For example, you need to choose one product, this pants. So right here, you're gonna find the name of the product. Here, you're gonna find the status, the inventory, and say channels. You're gonna find right here in the right markets, type, and lastly vendor. You can filter the list, and you can also sort by product title, created, updated, inventory, product type, and vendor. So for example, we're going to click on this one. Once you click on the product that you chose, then you can go down to variants. Right here in variants, you're going to find here the price of each variant. So just go ahead and change the price. For example, we're going to change it to $20 and then go ahead and click on save. And as you can see guys, now it's saving and the product is saved. Once you go back, you're going to find that the price has changed. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.